Hi, my name is Butch and I'm with Imonex. I'm here today to show you how to clean your coin drop with using a Q-tip and without taking it apart. You dip the Q-tip in water and bang off the excess, and you open up your gates. And what you want to do, the coin rolls on the bottom of these gates. And what you want to do is bring your Q-tip in the bottom. It's wet, and just follow the gates all the way to the front. And as you're rolling, it's pulling the dirt off the bottom of the floor. It's the dirt on the floor that will affect your coin flow. So you just roll it up and down. When I say roll, twist it. Just twist it on the floor. And there's two gates here, gate 1 and gate 2, and be sure and get both gates. So you want to enter in right under the cover that says Imonex on it, and just stay on the floor. Now here's one, or here's another one. So I'll get a new Q-tip. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm dipping it in water, knock the excess off, and just get right under the gate. Again, I'm going right along the floor of both gates. See, there's gate 1 and gate 2. So you just start twisting it. And the Q-tip, if you keep it level or parallel with the bottom of the gates, it's going to follow itself right on in. And you can see it on the bottom, how it's going to the inner gate also. Again, it's a twisting action that allows it to pick the dirt up. And this area right here, it's a big flat area on gate 1, is where the dirt can actually crown and cause the bottom of the coin to fall off to one side of it. Now this is not a recommended cleaning at any certain interval, but if you do have coin jams, this is probably your problem. Once you clean that area, you want to go right into the inlet, coin inlet area, and clean that. And again, it's the twisting action. It's just going to pull your dirt off the floor. You don't have to worry about the dirt that's on the walls. That doesn't affect it. Unless, of course, there's a piece of bubble gum on it or something that's large that the coin's actually hitting. It's the floor. Now here's a shorter version of this, and the way you want to clean it is the same way. You just open that up like so, and the Q-tip, the wooden Q-tip that's about 5 inches long is the best because it can reach all the way in. The shorter Q-tips won't reach all the way back. You dip it in water, and you just come in, and you just stay on the floor. You can see that Q-tip going down there and hitting the floor. And just twist it on the floor. And sometimes you'll need to use 3 or 4 Q-tips. You just keep using the Q-tips until it's clean, or till the Q-tip's clean. And again, you'll want to open this one up too and go in the front where the coin comes in and clean this area also. Some people are reporting they have to clean these after starting 3 years, some of them after 5, some of them after 2 years. But like I mentioned earlier, basically if it's jamming, it's probably the dirt on the floor. Thank you, and I hope that helps.